She's no skill, obviously.
A world of choice awaits.
You can basically just spam into a wall, got his special, and GG.
Alright, here we go.
Yes. Ah! NatureDown. Down. The corner, the corner!
Nice clash.
Yeah.
Kinda just wastes his special there though. Ouch.
Ah! The special. So strong.
Oh, gets parried.
Ah, yes! Come on, Nature. I count on you. Make history.
Boink, boink, boink. Catches that nice spit.
Yes!
Oh, that was
Oh.
amazing. That one wasn't.
Yeah.
Can't catch them all though. Gotta. Never
Yeah,
mind.
that's what I was going to do. Gotta catch him a few. Balls, oh man. Ew, that sounds weird.
Ouch. Oh. That was interesting.
Gotta.
Just kinda stood there. Hit the other way. Ow.
Whoa, that was like
uh,
total destroy there. Jumped into it. Whoa!
just throwing himself at him. Missing his wall gate.
What is that?
Balls are hard to hit.
Oh,
Oh,
Oh.
this time's the charge.
charge didn't work. Nah, the berries! Wow,
Parry to the
1-0.
face.
GG.
Brings it up to 1-0. It's a quick match. Entire team is babies.
Yeah. He says that?
The heavy.
Oh yeah, but
Oh,
was it listening? The jumps are real.
ooh, nice one.
Oh, nice. Whoa, that was laggy again, a little bit.
Yeah, a little rollback. Catches that.
Whoa. Oh, come on. Do history. The hop angle on this map just loops for Raptor. Kinda bad. That
Latch's
corner.
angles are just always so good.
Yeah.
They make some crazy ass patterns.
Yeah. It's really like. Never mind.
Oh,
I didn't catch that, sadly. Fortunately. Come on. The corners.
oh,
Ah! The corners.
happens. That was a nice one.
Oh, nice. Jukes with a special.
Catches that.
Catches that too. Volgator. He catches that? How? The reaction time on this man.
Back of the head. Ooh, nice clash.
Yep.
Another one.
Another one.
Oh, and the parry. To
Ah, the
finish.
parries. Oh, the clinks.
Oh, that was sad.
That was sick.
happens to everyone though.
Yeah. Whoa.
So many clashes. Oh.
Berries. Come on, NatureDown. For all the pink Raptors.
Again.
Ah.
Keeps getting him with that.
Oh. Oh, nice. Come on, come on, come on.
Ouch.
Ah. 1-1.
1-1.
Ultimate.
Down the wire. Ken doesn't really pressure openings. Oh.
Ah, damn it.
Oh.
GG.
2-0. Come on, Nature. At least get one. That last one was pretty damn close, though.
Nice catch. Ah.
A vast virus database has been updated.
Oh.
Oh.
Berries.
Don't go out like this, Nature.
Yeah. Too aggressive.
Oh.
I think he's freaking out. I think he's freaking out.
Yeah.
Ball strategy.
Stressful situation. Those Latch super though.
Yeah. He always catches the special. Every single time.
Yeah, I know. Raptor special just ain't doing anything.
Ah!
Not a perfect. Get a stock. Ooh.
Oh, I just figured out in my mind that this stage is black. It's a metro? What is it? It's a metro, right?
Yeah, it looks like a subway.
Subway. Damn.
Or metro.
I say metro. Ah! The comebacks are real. Whoa.
He's got 3 stocks in a row. Doing pretty good. Ouch.
Ah! The up.
Gets him with that parry. Oh,
Very
too aggressive.
GG 3-0 again. 6-0. GG's.
Oh well.
Nature, you are my idol. Teach me all you know. I'm gonna hide him. Hopefully he will accept. What?
Alright, I'm gonna shut down the stream now. It's alright, I guess. I mean, got to see a Raptor in the finals, even though he didn't get to do very well.
Yeah.
He almost got 2 rounds. I mean, in the winners finals, he got him down to 1 stock, and then in grand finals, he also got a game down to 1 stock. I mean, they weren't blowouts, but
Still
Tenerus
amazing.
just proving his dominance once again.
No, Tenerus is just proving how bad he is.
How good Latch is.
Every time he won is because they're special.
Yeah, that's special. It's pretty broken. Alright. See everyone later.
Yes. Bye-bye.